Don't lie to me. You know my brow's cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a product review. So basically, I got a new brow tech and she recommended me this Benefit Gimme Brow. So this is the product and it is in shade number 5. Oh, that's upside down. Can you see that? Shade number 5. And basically it's just an easy way to get a tinted look on your eyebrows. So I was recommended this because I wanted to get my eyebrows tinted, and if you're like me, people that have dark eyebrows or dark hair, the tint doesn't really show up there because it basically grabs to the hair and it's gonna look like something for the first 2 days, but after that it's gonna go away. Okay, so so it says Gimme Brow Poof. Fuller looking brows magically appear. This brush on gel contains tiny microfibers that adhere to the skin and hairs, creating a natural looking fullness and definition. It volumizes, tames, and tints brows. It is natural looking and buildable, water resistant, and long wear. So about the long wearing, I can wear this all freaking day and it ain't going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. I could get it wet and it's not running down my face. I'm gonna show you guys what the fuck it looks like when I get it wet and what it looks like if I try to smear it or whatever. This is what it looks like outside the box. And yeah, I'm gonna take my glasses off. A bitch can't see. A bitch can't see. I gotta send it to them. Alright, anyways. But I am gonna comb my brows. This is just my edge brush, guys. Don't mind me. And if you try to look at my eyebrows and you see that one is longer than the other, bitch, my eyebrows ain't perfect. This one grows longer than this one. Damn. Okay. Anyways, let's get into it. So I'm gonna do one eyebrow and then I'm gonna show you. So this is what it looks like. So basically, you wanna pump that shit, okay? You pump it. I'm gonna pump it and I'm gonna get all this shit up there. And yeah. So let's get into it. Okay, okay. Can you tell that difference? Like, can you see that? That's way thicker than what it was before. I mean, I can come up closer so you can see the difference. Hold on, let me fix it. Can you see that? That just looks so freaking natural. This is why I like this. Natural. Natural, girl. Don't lie to me. You know my brow's cute. Alright, I'm starting on this side. So that's that, girl. Honey, my brows are thick as shit. Can't nobody tell me I'm not cute. Girl, look at these brows. Imagine you put some concealer under these bitches. A girl be popping. But I ain't got time for concealer. I got time for these brows though. If you're like me and you already spend enough time doing your freaking hair, girl, my hair is curly. I gotta freaking comb this shit out every day and put product in it every day, and that takes forever. And then it takes me forever to figure out what the hell I'm going to wear. What am I gonna wear? This is just easy. Like, I can feel beautiful with these brows and I can feel good about myself with some easy makeup. And I don't have to sit there and watch a whole ass fucking tutorial about doing the perfect brows, because bitch, this is natural looking and they look thick and good. Like, you can add as much product as you want to these. You want me to put in a before picture, don't you? Because them brows is looking crazy. Alright, I'm gonna stop acting crazy. All right, so is it smudge proof? It's a little speck that came off. All right. One little speck came off. It's not like smudging. It's not smudging, girl. Those brows ain't going nowhere. They ain't going nowhere. Not going anywhere. And I got hella product caked up in there too. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. Anyways, they aren't going anywhere. Okay? Now, we're going to spray myself with this goddamn water. I really don't want to. Woo! Look at that. Any other one would be like running down your freaking face. Like, if it's raining outside, you ain't even gotta worry about your brows coming off. Your brows they're not coming off. That little water ain't do shit. But the tricky part is when you wanna wipe the water off. So basically, I'm gonna take off all this other excess water, right? And so we're gonna check the durability. So I'm gonna just dab it a little bit. So it did come off, not in like huge clumps, but it did come off as I dab it. But the thing that you don't have to worry about is that shit running down your face when it's getting wet. Like, I'm not saying you can go and jump into a pool and be fine and be swimming all day. No, I'm not saying that, but I am saying, like, if you just get a little water on your face, or if you're working out, you get a little sweat on your face, your eyebrows are gonna be fine. They're gonna be intact as long as you don't be like trying to like smear that shit everywhere. You'll be fine. You just dab that sweat off your face. Fine. So my rating for this is, I'll say I really like it. I wouldn't give it a 10 just because of what we just tested with the water or whatever. So if you really wanted to work out with it and because I'm the type of bitch that's gonna forget to like dab or whatever, but other than that, I like it. I've used it almost every day since I got it like 2 weeks ago, and it keeps my brows intact. And you know how like after you get your eyebrows done and then you go to sleep and then your eyebrows looking like going up and then one's going down, so like it's a good gel to like straighten out your eyebrows or even comb your eyebrows to the correct setting. So I'll leave a link directly to the Gimme Brow set, or the Gimme Brow through Ulta, and it comes in different colors from really light to really dark, and I think I see all the way up to 10. I don't really know. Mine's is number 5, so it's pretty dark. Yeah, so if you're interested, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other stuff you want to see me do. Like, I mean, I can do reviews on anything. Like, enjoy your day. I love you, and thank you everyone for supporting me and watching my videos, even though like they kind of suck sometimes. But yeah, thanks for this 101, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you go get your Gimme Brow. All right, bye.